The number one reason why most people fail making money online, especially the coaches and consultants, right? It's because of product market fit. See, we can do anything in life, right? We can sell it to anyone. But if you talk to the complete opposite audience or wrong group of audience, they are never going to buy. It's like you going to force someone like a non-vegetarian, like a vegetarian to eat non-veg. It's not going to work, right? A very small percentage, like you will have chances to win. In the same way, if you want to win in life as a coach consultant, the number one thing, always keep it in your mind, you have to talk to the right group of audience. Right group of audience means not just like you trying to go there, and what most people are doing is trying to create some hype in the market, doing, telling this thing, posting something, they're calling everyone, hey everyone, hey everyone, I do this, I do this, do you want my service, do you want my service? It's not going to work. And second thing is, like, talking to people, like you are able to talk to people like new prospects, but you're not able to close even after like 20 to 30 sales calls, right? And that is the reason like why you are failing also, because you're not giving what they want. And the third most important thing is market feedback. See, you can have all the weapons, all the equipments, everything. If you don't know how to use it or how to fire it at the right time, like properly, you are never going to win. And that's why always understanding the market, the market's needs, the market's deepest desires, and market's deepest painful problems out there, the biggest painful problems, figuring out like why do the customer or the prospects wake up in the night, right? Why are the biggest problems like that? And if you figure out those things, their visions and their dreams, and it will be like much easier for you to help them out, right? And it's all about not just the niche, like you have to understand in the micro niche in order like getting a good story and hypothesis, like all the pain points, everything. Once after you get that, and like you have to put a no brainer offer, right? See, no one is going to buy whether it's like $10 or $1,000 or $10,000 or $100,000 product, only when someone needs it and when someone has a desire, and if he has the pain, only then someone is going to buy, right? Or else they just take and they don't implement, right? And if you know like exactly what the market wants, listening to the feedback, and if you talk to the right group of audience, like understanding the DNA of the prospect, right? Like in the micro niche, like you'll be able to go, like you will be able to succeed. If these three things, if you do properly, I'm damn sure that nobody on the earth will going to fail, right? And right now I have like three slots left, a couple of spots left, like for this week. Like you can just click on the link akshay.com, and you can book a call with me. And if you need more help in scaling your business by automation, elimination, delegation, and scale your coaching business to the next level, let's hop on a call. Until then, thank you for watching. Do like, share, subscribe, and that's all for now. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.